Hello everybody, hope y'all are doing good out there. It looks like we've got a cabbage that's ready to harvest. Now I love cabbage, and so I'm going to cut this cabbage out of here. This is an old song on the banjo called Boil Them Cabbage Down. That was played clawhammer style on the banjo, adding in a technique that's known as drop thumb. I used the Leatherman rebar. I used the wood saw on it to cut the plant loose from the ground, from its stem. We're going to give the leaves to the chickens, and then the cabbage head itself we're going to cook down in a pot. And one of our favorite ways to have it is to boil it down with some water, and then when you get it cooked, you add in just a little bit of bacon grease and some salt. And sometimes you don't even have to add the salt. But that's one of the best ways to eat cabbage. I really like cabbage. It's a cheap meal, but it's a wonderful tasting meal, especially if you're going to have beans and cornbread with it or something like that. This cabbage was so big we put it in a large Dutch oven, and we still had some left over, enough to share with everybody. You can see here we dumped the leaves out for the chickens. What is y'all's favorite way to eat cabbage? And comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching. You have a good day. Keep your knives sharp.